This video should help you to understand some of the concepts we're looking at in the following videos for finding the equation of a straight line. Just a few things to be aware of. So remember, on a graph you have the x-axis and the y-axis. The bit where they meet in the middle is called the origin, and we put a 0 there. We have 4 quadrants in this graph. This quadrant on the right hand side is all the positives. So as it goes to the right on the x-axis, it goes up 1 each time. And as it goes up at the top corner on the y-axis, it goes up 1 each time. With the other quadrants, we have negative numbers. So as it goes further to the left on the x-axis, it's -1, -2. And as it goes down on the y-axis, it's -1, -2, and the rest. If you're asked to draw the following lines on a graph, for example, y equals 4, you look at the y-axis and you locate 4 on the y-axis, and notice it's the positive 4, not the negative 4, and then you just draw a line across. This confuses a lot of pupils because it looks like an x-axis because the line is horizontal, but notice it's going through the y-axis. So that line is y equals 4. If we moved it down, that would be y equals 3. X equals -3. So for this one, we locate -3 on the x-axis. And there's -3, and we draw a line that intercepts that. That line is x equals -3. One that causes some confusion, y equals x. So for example, we have this coordinate here, 1 along and 1 up. It's the same on the x-axis as it is on the y-axis. So from the x-axis, it comes from 1, and from the y-axis, it comes from 1. If we placed it here, it's 2 along and 2 up. The same on the x and the y. If we place it down here, it's -2 along and -2 down, and the line will look like that. So y equals x looks like this, and any point on that line will share the same coordinates for x and y. So that point there is 5 along and 5 up. And this one down here is -4, -4. With equations of a straight line, you're also looking for the intercept on the y-axis. So we'll just look at a couple of those. So there's the y-axis, and wherever a line intercepts, so this line here, we look at where it hits the y-axis. And you can see here that it hits it on 2. So the intercept is 2. For this line here, where it intercepts the y-axis, it's on -4. So the intercept is -4. One other thing you need to be aware of when doing equations for a straight line is the gradient. So there's more of this on the video about how to calculate gradients, but here, just to quickly show you what that means, if we have this line here, we look for 2 points on the line that actually hit the corners of the squares on the grid. So for example, we could locate this point here and this point here, and to calculate the gradient, we use the information from this triangle. So we're working out how steep the line is. So this video should help you to understand some of the concepts we're looking at in the following videos for finding the equation of a straight line.